start of yet another marathon walk by all the volunteers that support Save Our Sons.
Hey everyone, Josh Mansell and Dylan Edwards here from the Penrith Panthers. We're here this morning to support Save Our Sons. Wish everyone luck for the 157 kilometre walk, and good luck today on the way to Blacktown. Good luck, guys.
Hey guys, how are you? Elias here, Pierre, Fadi. We're from the Bearded Bakers at Barbara Scotty, where it's been our great privilege to support Save Our Sons. So if you see them, give them a toot. If you're at the satellites and you see them, give them a donation.
It's a long journey, it will get tough, and it's at that point when you're starting to feel the heartache, or the pain, or the agony. That's what our kids feel every day.
Extremely fatigued and exhausted, but feel great, feel amazing. Day 1, 5 to go.